I realized that you guys want the juicy stuff. You want to know how much money I make. Specifically, a lot of you want to know how much money I make on YouTube. See, the reason why I wanted to make this video is because you got all these guys on the internet showing you their millions of dollars that they make on YouTube. You know, I made 20K last month. I got this many views to make 20K, and all of you want to do the math and see how long it would take for you to do that on YouTube, or to see if YouTube's even profitable in the first place. Well, in this video, I'm going to be giving you the real deal, no spiel, like always, so keep watching. What's going on, everybody? Alex back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about my YouTube analytics. How much money am I making off YouTube a month? How am I using it to pay my bills, right? All this juicy stuff. What videos are doing the best? Why did they do the best? Why are they making me the most money? I'm going to dive deep into that. But before we get started, guys, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, my name is Alex. I talk about everything internet entrepreneurship. Okay, cryptocurrency, marketing, the whole 9 yards. I'm there. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button as well as the push notification bell so you can get more videos just like this, because I try to answer all of your questions. So let's jump into the analytics. I'm just gonna get straight to it. Okay, I'm just gonna get straight to it. I'm gonna go to my channel. I'm going to YouTube Studio Beta, right? There's like it's been a beta for like 6 years. I don't know why they call it a beta anymore, but as you can see here, no, it's not millions of dollars. It's not 20 grand in 1 month. It's a realistic perspective, guys. Okay, I've been on YouTube for a total of 2 years, though I would say the first year and a half was just straight up trial and error until I, purchased this course. I'm going to talk about that towards the end of this video. But, this is just a realistic perspective, guys. I mean, we've always seen, those videos that go mini viral on YouTube of a guy that made, that one of his videos went viral and he made 50 grand off of it, right? But chances are that's not going to happen in the majority of you, and you shouldn't live life like that. If you're looking to start a YouTube channel, if you're looking to make some money on the internet, you should kind of calibrate your strategy to not being that one-hit wonder, because chances are you're not going to be. There's what, 9 billion people on earth. Chances are you're not that special, right? And I'm not that special, clearly, right? I'm doing pretty mediocre for a channel, and I'm just going to show you guys the analytics. I think it's good in my perspective. I think it's magic when I get sales on the internet, and that's why I love doing this. I basically did it for free for the first year. For the first year, I made no money off of YouTube. It's because I like doing it. I mean, sometimes, I get burnt out of it, and you'll see me make like a video a week, but I like doing it at the end. At the end of everything, I like teaching people and helping people out. So it's my thing, guys. So don't take it for, take it for what it is, where I'm showing you, but don't take it for like, I can make 100,000 on YouTube. I don't think that ever works for any business strategy. But this is probably the #1 video that I've ever made. Okay. Reason being, not only it made me the most money, but go check it out if you haven't already watched it. It's basically teach you how to make $330 in less than 30 minutes. You can see why I did good. People like making money, and I show you a legitimate way to do that. Hence all the likes, right? I mean, some people are going to always hate, right? You have people that's always hating the 124 dislikes. Maybe they don't like actually trying to make money. Maybe they just wanted some quick cash, right? A lot of people are going to hate me for not giving them the quick cash. But in this video, I show you at least how to make I think it was like $126 quickly, like ASAP, right away, where you can cash to your bank. And then if you have some patience, it might turn into $330. Okay, and that's why people dislike it. Okay, but for my people that are actually about that, actually want to make some money and are not willing to take the quick route, go check out this video. This one did the best. Got 779 subscribers, and keep in mind I only have 3,000 subs. Which, thank you guys, by the way, if you just recently subscribed, thank you for subscribing to my channel. You guys, it means a lot to me, man, when I'm over there seeing all these beautiful comments and people, complimenting my videos. I really appreciate that. It makes me go harder. And this video, the audience retention is pretty good. It's 21%. It got me this money right here. Look, and the reason why I love this YouTube thing is because, yeah, I made $108 now, but I just monetized my channel like last month, So I just started monetizing it. And this video at the end, it has 32k views. It's been 100 days. In about a year, it's gonna have 100k views. This is gonna have 100k views because it ranks #1 for the term Coinbase, right? So if you go to YouTube, which if you don't know what Coinbase is, it's basically one of the best cryptocurrency exchanges. So as you can imagine, a lot of people are searching Coinbase, right? So if you search Coinbase, I'm #1. This video is gonna do numbers. As you can see right here, this guy has 24k subscribers, and he put his video 2 years ago. This has 426,000 views. So if it's anything like this, if it's 1/4 this video, I should be getting like 100k. That $100 is gonna turn into $300, $400, $500, which is all passive income. I made this video 3 months ago, one time, never came back to it, only to look at the analytics. I never have to put more work into these videos. This is why I love YouTube. Yeah, it's a headache when you first start. Yeah, you're gonna be doing basically all of it for free for the first couple of years. Maybe some of you might take off quick. Maybe you're natural at YouTube, whatever. But, you know, it pays off in the long run, always. What you put out in this world, you'll always get back. So this was my #1 video. And the reason why is because I ranked for the Coinbase term. I'm gonna teach you guys towards the end of this video. I've talked about it in other videos, how you could rank your videos if you're looking to start a YouTube channel. Clearly, I was able to do something good here. Look, search volume a month is 510, you know, come on, 500,000 searches a month. 500,000 searches a month, and I'm #1. Okay, just realize that, how beautiful that is. So I'm gonna teach you guys towards the end of this video. I'll explain exactly how I did. It's pretty self-explanatory. Actually, once I started doing that, that's when I started seeing real growth. Let's look at some other videos, right? You know, consistency is everything, right? People are always looking for the quick stuff, but over time, things start doing numbers. This video was horrible at first. Look at the audience retention. 47% of people that start watching my videos watch it to the end. That's phenomenal. This is producing me, you know, a pretty good amount of money. Let's see. I mean, it was second for views. So this is top videos in the last 28 days. So this is not how much money I'm making. Let's go see how much. Let's look at the revenue. All right, so here's the top income producing. There you go. So here's another one, Cloud Play Exposed. What I'm really good at is this one has almost 30% audience retention, though the traffic died down because it was kind of one of those, like Cloud Pay, it's like a scam website that goes viral for like a couple months and then dies down because everybody realizes it's a scam. I exposed it, and then I got people some real money. I showed them how to make some real cryptocurrency, you know, get some knowledge with blockchain technology and actually develop a real trade instead of trying to just get a quick buck all the time, right? So people love that, man. People love the realness. People love, you know, actually doing something that's worth their time, right? So they like this video, and this was my second top income producing video. I got 510 subscribers for it. I earned $33. Guys, this is realistic numbers. This did 22k views. I want you to think about that, right? How many of your friends have video with 22k views? Not a lot. And you would think it's a lot more, but it's nothing. It's 33 bucks, right? But what I got out of this was subscribers and followers. So that's the real value there, right? That was the real value. That's the second top income producing video. Now let's look at the third one, how to make a supplement business from start to finish, right? I have a supplement business, if you guys didn't know. It's called All Natural Upgrades. I sell pure Himalayan Shilajit, which is the ultimate mineral supplement that no one has heard about for some reason. It's been hidden in ancient texts for thousands of years. And I came across it, and it was so life-changing for me that I made this business. And though it was the biggest grind I have ever been in my life, because you guys gotta understand, nobody knows about it. Nobody's searching Shilajit. I basically gotta educate people on Shilajit and then sell it to them. One of the hardest businesses ever. If you're first starting a business, is don't do that. Pick a product that people are already buying, right? I did the exact opposite, and I tried to create my it's called Blue Ocean strategy, where instead of trying to compete with other people, I try to create my own ocean. It's extremely hard. It does pay off in the long run, but it's a long run game. That's why I don't push it that hard, and I'm just slowly trying to make that thing really work. But this video is doing well. I show you guys exactly how I made my supplement, all the regulation, you know, how to market it, how to create your website, basically the whole 9 yards, and people liked it. 37% audience retention. This is my third best video. It gave me a lot of subscribers. The reason why this hasn't done better, because I know I ranked number one, is because there's not a lot of people searching how to make a supplement business, right? So the higher the search traffic, like this is what I mean by search traffic, how many people are searching. If you guys, by the way, if you want this tool that shows you how much search traffic, it's called Keywords Everywhere. It's a Chrome extension. Go ahead and download that so you can get the that type of analytics. But you know, if this had more traffic, I was ranked number one, it would do way better, right? But sometimes you want to go for search terms that are less traffic because you have a better chance of ranking. It's not that competitive. This wasn't that competitive, and that's why I ranked pretty high, and it still got me a lot. And over time, I believe it's going to give me a lot more. That's the thing. People don't think over the time. This can turn easily to 20K views in the next maybe year or two, right? So it's always going to be producing for me. It's like my little worker on YouTube, right? So that's the third best one. Let's look at this one, Signal Profits. Only made $5 off of it. 2.8K views. 40% audience retention. Notice, guys, the trend here. The videos that do the best have the highest audience retention, right? The YouTube search algorithm likes it when people watch your videos. When you have a lot of watch time, they like it, right? So the better you can keep, the more you can keep someone watching your video, the better your video does always. So just a little tip for you guys, a little free game there. But you know, only $5. People think you're gonna get rich off YouTube at the start. No, man, people put in work for years before they reap the rewards. And that's how you should always think about your business. All right, and the last one I want to go over with, because everything else is like lower than $6, so I'm not even gonna go over it. But this one right here, 47.4% audience retention. It did great. Okay, not a lot of search traffic, but it's solid. It's number one. It ranked number one, right? And guys, by the way, not only did I make the $4.61, but from this video, I got sales on my All Natural Upgrades website. I got a whole bunch of sales on my All Natural Upgrades website. So this paid me way more than $4. See, that's the real money when you have your own product or somebody else's product to sell. That's where you make your money. YouTube's not all about, you know, just making money off the ads that they play on your video. It's much more to that. It's a whole game. It's marketing, guys, right? So that's basically it for my channel. Let me give you the overall view, right? Let's see. This is the last 28 days. Let's see the last 90 days. Let's look at the 90 days. So I made about $183, almost $200, coming up on $200. And my goal is to 10x this, right? So my girlfriend is basically, you know, she's not out of a job. She could easily get a job right now, but she's going into an internship where she has to work full-time and go to school full-time because she's trying to be a nurse practitioner. So if I can get this to 2K, I will supplement her income and we'll both be able to survive. So she's been helping me out with that, right? So that's my goal. I'm not trying to, like, my goal is not to make $100 million. Okay, guys? I know a lot of you think like that. I know a lot of people come to these type of videos and they say, okay, this guy made 50K in 2 months. Oh, I can make 5K in 2 months. You know, that's unrealistic. Everybody's different and their situations are different. So instead of me thinking, oh, I'm gonna scale this to $1 million, I'm gonna be realistic. Let's 10x it. Let's get to $2,000 a month. Okay, if we can get to $2,000 a month, I'll be happy. And then from that point, I'm gonna try to get to $5,000 a month, right? That's more realistic. Okay, so start thinking like that. That's it for this video, guys. This is all just the monetary side of my YouTube channel. If you guys want to learn more about my statistics and stuff like that, by the way, guys, I forgot to say, the only reason my channel has been taking off, and I'm going to show you the proof, right? Let me show you. Go to my analytics. Okay, I'm going to go for the last year, right? The last 365. As you can see here, hardly any growth. I started changing right here is when I made the difference. And now you see massive growth. Now it's like up here. Now I'm trying to get like jump the next level. But right here, man, I was just grinding, trial and error, until I purchased this course, and the link will be in the description below. I market it all the time because it's the most legitimate course I have ever purchased in my life, and I've spent thousands of dollars on internet marketing courses, and I've never got the value of a course that I did this one. Okay, it's Video Ranking Academy 2.0. Okay, by Sean Cannell. This guy has millions of subscribers, and he teaches you, like I said in the past 15-20 minutes, how to rank your videos on the YouTube search algorithm for consistent and realistic views, subscribers, engagement, everything you need to be successful on YouTube. comes from being able to rank your videos. Remember, guys, YouTube is a search algorithm first and the internet entertainment platform second. If you want to go on an entertainment platform, Instagram's your best bet, or maybe Facebook. Those are more social media. YouTube is considered a search algorithm. So the guys that win typically rank. Okay, so if you want to start your channel off, you need to rank your videos. No ifs, ands, or buts. Or you're gonna do what I did and waste the first, year of your YouTube creations, feeling bad for yourself, right? Where your mom's only people watching your videos and sharing it with the family, and everybody in your family is looking at your videos and complimenting you, but you want, new fans, that they're just being nice. And it feels horrible, man. It honestly feels bad when you spend 4 to 6 hours on a video only to get 20 views. It's horrible. I would never suggest anyone to go through that. If you want the best chance of success, go to the link below. Just look at the video. He'll explain it better than I can. Okay? Go to the link below and check out Video Ranking Academy 2.0. That basically put me on the map. You're welcome. Thanks for watching this video, guys. This is Alex. I'm signing off, and like I always say, if you don't get with it, you will get left behind. Catch you guys in the next video.